Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing another live swatch of one random color from my nail polish collection. I am just going to apply it, do a full-on manicure, so definitely grab your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me while watching this video. But if you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But let's get into the application. I am going in with a base by Trended Up. I actually got this polish and a couple of them from the same brand when I was in Germany back in September, like a year ago, and I'm really loving this base. Not only are they vegan, they're cruelty free, they are quite easy to get by if you live in Europe. Unfortunately I can't get them here in the Netherlands, so I have to look at my best friend who actually lives in Germany if she can pick some up for me. But yeah, they are really affordable as well. I think I only paid like €1.79 for this base coat, and it has one of those like creamy milky kind of formulas, so it does leave a little bit of like a soft like filter look on top of the nail. So if you're into that and just want to rock a natural kind of manicure, you can just apply this base and top it off with a top coat and you're good to go. It is one of those bases that makes your nails look really perfect and just flawless, and kind of like a soft filter on top of it, and it just makes them look gorgeous. I really love it, and I've actually starting to get into the more like negative space kind of designs as well. Usually I just love a good opaque full-on colored coat, but you know, just peeking a little bit of that natural nail through your manicure in the way of negative space kind of nail art, I think it's really nice. And especially if you have like nails that are really well taken care of and are just looking good and healthy, why not show it off a little bit, you know? So yeah, for today's colored coat I'm not going to do any patchy negative space kind of design. I'm just going to full on swatch this beautiful fall color. This one is from the Essie Fall 2021 collection as well. It is called Star Struck A Chord. It is such a beautiful color, but kind of a hard one to describe because there is like always like how people kind of like interpreted it, and to me it is like a browny purpley, like a reddish purple undertone kind of polish with a beautiful golden coppery shimmer in here. I don't really know if it is like a true coppery shimmer because the gold kind of has like the overhand in the shimmerness, let's just put it at that, but it is just a beautiful plum kind of looking color. The shimmer really is to die for. I really love it. It is a very pigmented, so make sure to apply a good base if you don't want any staining or discoloration to the natural nail to happen. Of course I am already wearing that gel base and top coat, so nothing is going through that but it's really nice to use a good base if you don't want any like discoloration happening onto your nails. But yeah, just apply the first coat to your nails, of course making sure that the base layer is completely dry before going into your next coat. And yeah, just a little like side note, sorry if I sound a little tired or frazzled or like stumbling upon my words. You guys know that English isn't my mother tongue. I'm actually Dutch, so speaking Dutch is my native language. So whenever I get tired, and I am pretty darn tired at the moment, it gets a little harder for me to pronounce everything correctly, or like the entire like sentences just get messed up. But yeah, I'm just really tired at the moment. I'm working a lot. I'm also packing up my stuff, dealing with other stuff regarding us moving to another house. It's a lot, let's just put it to that. And then like next to my 5 to 6 day work week, I still have my YouTube that I want to keep on doing as well. So life is pretty hectic at the moment, and yeah, that's just a little extra information that I wanted to share. If you're wondering why I am sounding like I'm hella tired, because to be honest, I am a hella tired. I will actually be doing some like in between vlogs as well, regarding the move, reasons why, how I'm going to like make sure that everything is packed up nicely, especially my nail polish collection, because I've been getting a ton of questions about that. I have already recorded like the first vlog in which I just quickly explain why we're moving, and so on. Just for the record, I just rolled out of bed when I recorded that, so I will be looking like very au naturel. Let's just put it to that. But yeah, that will be up in a couple of weeks, I guess, so keep an eye out for that, and definitely let me know if you want me to do more like vlog kind of videos. Of course, just wait to see the first one and let me know what you think about that. But it's just really easy for me to just sit down, plonk my phone on whatever, and just record and just talk to you guys about what's happening. Because putting it all in, for example, my nail polish of the week videos like I'm doing right now, I feel like not everyone really gets to see and hear what is going on in my life, and not everyone watches these videos as well. So I think like doing separate vlog kind of videos will really help out with that. And if you're interested to see those, you can just watch those videos separately, and I can mostly focus on nail polish in these videos. So yeah, let's get back to the application, because I have just applied the second coat, and of course because the Essie polish is hella opaque and pigmented, you only need 2 thin coats to make it completely opaque. Of course, making sure to cap in the edge as well of the natural nail. That actually makes sure that your manicure stays put a longer period of time without any chipping, tip wear, and just stuff going on like that. Then it is time, or at least when the colored coats are completely dry, to go in with your top coat. I'm just using one by Orly. It's been sitting on my desk for a while. As I mentioned in previous videos as well, I am still like currently working on trying them out with different polishes, other brands, and so on. So this is actually another try out for me to see what this top coat does for this specific Essie polish. Sometimes top coats can really alter the outcome of your colored coats. Not only when it comes to like a matte top coat, of course, or anything like that, but sometimes, especially when it comes to like shimmery polishes, it can really alter the look of the polish itself whenever the top coat is added. So it can dull shimmer and glitter a little bit, or it can make it super glossy, or not change it at all. So that is pretty much what I'm looking at when using different top coats, just to see if it actually alters or makes it look different, you know? But for this one, I feel like it is pretty decent. It keeps the colored coat pretty true to life in my opinion. And yeah, I just really love this manicure. It is so fall-like, super plummy, purpley. I love it a ton. Definitely let me know what you think about this color and what you're wearing on your nails at the moment as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.